friends. During this lockdown and with the current prevailing situation, talking to several people, I noticed one common reason for stress and anxiety. Many people are experiencing stress and depression due to their overthinking or negative repeated thought patterns. When you talk to someone, what do you talk about? What is the hot topic today? Of course, most of us talk about Corona and the economy. It is just not ending. We keep repeating about it and attracting more unhappiness in our life. Most people repeatedly think about how their life is stuck and they have no power over it. Agreed. We are all stuck. We are all facing similar issues. In fact, the entire world is affected. But thinking about it or talking about it, is it going to solve our problem? Today, I will share a simple yet effective way to stop overthinking or repeated negative thought patterns in our life, which leads to anxiety and stress. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author, and a therapist. I used to overthink a lot, and it held me for the first few days during the lockdown. But later, I started to create possibilities. And we all have the power to create infinite possibilities for success in our life. And I think most of you must have done the same. But do you do this in every challenging situation? In order to enjoy a happy, peaceful life, we need to stop overthinking or stop our negative thought pattern. And you know why we overthink? We keep on thinking over and over again because we are either thinking about the past or we are worried about the future. We are rarely in the present. So, the first step is widening your perspective, seeing life, seeing your problem from various angles. Thinking the way you always thought won't change your circumstances. It is insane to do the same thing over and over again and expect different results. So, the first step to avoid overthinking is to ask the right questions. My book, 101 Gratitude Question, has a lot of detail, but here I will guide you one such question that can quickly snap you out of overthinking and will help you to let go of that situation. Imagine you are thinking about COVID, about the business losses, government policies. Ask yourself, will this matter to me in 5 years down the line? Will this matter to me? No, all such things won't matter in long run because we know that time is the big healer. We have faced many difficulties in the past: floods, hurricanes, heavy rainfall, economic crisis, recession, earthquake, but nothing lasts forever. So when you ask, will this matter to me in 5 years? Your mind will say no, and immediately the mind will begin to relax. The mind will allow you to finally stop thinking about something and to focus your time and energy on something better that actually does matter, and you can create possibilities even in this current scenario. Step 2: take decisions quickly. Most overthinkers think and they rethink this before taking any decision. And why they take so long to decide on something? Just to make sure that they don't make mistake and they are just perfect. Not taking quick decision creates a lot of anxiety and stress. So no matter what, start taking quick decision for small matters to begin with. What should I prepare for lunch or dinner? What do I need to post today on the social media? Take small steps, take small decision. Quick decisions are better than no decisions at all. So if an idea comes to you, stop overthinking and immediately take the decision. Before this COVID, I was not comfortable with online therapies and training, so I would pass my clients to my colleagues. But now, during this lockdown, When someone approaches me for therapies or training, I accept it with love. I took the decision to move myself out of my comfort zone and started taking online client with 100% results, or I can even say 110% results by the grace of God. And you might have already seen the review and feedback on Facebook and YouTube. And today, I can proudly say with humble gratitude that I have been very busy during this COVID time with my online training and therapies. I have also published 2 books, and with all your support and love, I became the best selling author. This was possible because I acted upon my ideas and took prompt decisions. Opportunities are everywhere, all around you. Are you ready to act upon it or just blame the situation, circumstances for your downfall? I have guided many clients to start home business by cooking food and selling, creating masks, selling dry fruits, tarot and angel cards reading, creating short trainings, and even writing books, and they are really doing good. Look for opportunities, they are all around you. When one door closes, another opens, but we often look so long and with so much of regret upon the closed door that we do not see the one which has opened for us. If you dwell on one specific thing or opportunity, then you miss out the other avenues, the other options and opportunities that exist. Many people don't like change. They resist it, but not all change is bad. Change is often necessary, however uncomfortable it may feel to you. Third, do not get lost in vague fears. Another trap I have fallen into sometimes that have spurred on overthinking is that I have got lost in vague fear about the situations in my life. And so my mind running wild has created disaster scenarios about what would happen if I do something wrong. Earlier, I used to ask myself, what is the worst that could happen? Now, I have learned to ask the right question. Why I am always able to stop my mind from overthinking. Earlier, my mind wouldn't stop even while I would sleep. It would keep racing up and down, and in the morning, I would feel tired. I consulted various doctors who suggested sleeping pills, but it did not help. Finally, I started using the alpha sleep technique, which helped me not only to sleep better, but I was able to sleep learning, downloading learning, and also healing while I slept. This technique is taught to my intuitive training participants. Do you wish to learn this technique? Stay till the end and I will teach you this highly powerful alpha sleep technique. Fourth, take action and stop procrastination. When you get an idea and you know how to get started, begin by taking baby steps. Setting deadlines and setting a good tone for the day are the 2 things that have helped me to become much more of an action person in this COVID time. Taking small steps forward and only focusing on getting one small step done at a time is another habit that has worked really well. It works so well because you do not feel overwhelmed and so you do not want to flee into procrastination or lazy inaction. And even though you may be afraid, taking just a step is such a small thing that you do not get paralyzed in fear. Start with power of an hour, which I have said many a times before to begin. This is an easiest way to dedicate yourself. It's simple, you can also try. Spend 20 minutes for your body, 20 minutes for your mind, and 20 minutes for your soul. Stay committed is very important. Stay committed for 8 to 10 days and see how much better you feel. If you need more support on this, Connect with me and I shall add you to my free WhatsApp group Power of an Hour. Link will be shared in the description below. You know, when you travel by road in your car, you can't see the destination with your headlights. But surely the headlights help you to see the road ahead of you, and eventually, gradually, it helps you to reach your destination. So taking action is more important. Doesn't matter even if it is a small step forward. Just take a baby step and keep moving, and you will gradually take the momentum. Fifth point, get plenty of good quality sleep. I think this is one of the most commonly neglected factor when it comes to keeping a positive mindset and not get lost in the negative thoughts habits. Because when you haven't slept enough, then you become more vulnerable. Vulnerable to worrying and pessimism, to not think as clearly as you usually do, and to getting lost in the negative thinking pattern. As I had promised to share my alpha sleep technique that can help you sleep better, sleep deeply, and heal your body and mind and make you free from anxiety while you sleep. So let's understand. Wind your work half an hour before your bedtime. Clean and clear your room from any distractions. Keep it cool and dark. Lie down straight on your back and begin to relax your body from feet upward. Visualize each muscles relaxing, beginning from your feet, ankle, calf muscles, knees, and all the way up to your head. And when you begin, you will start feeling drowsy. This is an indication that you have reached alpha frequency now. And at this frequency, whatever you command, whatever you intend, manifest in your life. So command your mind, take me to the alpha sleep. And while I am sleeping, I am handing over all my worries, all my problems to my angels. And when I wake up, you may give the time. When I wake up at 5 a.m., I should be fresh, energetic, happy and healthy, ready to start my day. This works like miracle. In one of my training session, a participant who was suffering from insomnia for 10 years practiced the alpha sleep and could sleep peacefully, and he was so happy that he said that what you charge for your training is just a peanut. When I say you can give the time you wish to wake up, the universe will wake you up. But keep one thing in mind. Do not misuse the power by slipping in late and waking up early, as that would be detrimental to your health. Alpha sleep will help you to keep your thinking at bay, relax your mind, relax your body, and enjoy the present moment. I hope this was helpful in some way, or at least insightful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you aren't already subscribed. I am going to make more such videos on pearls of intuition. If you have any suggestion, go ahead and let me know in the comment down below, and I will keep going on with it. Other than that, hope you are doing well and you all are safe. By sharing this video, let's help someone who need this and make a difference together. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.